Today's lesson is Unit 1, Session 1.2 and 1.3. Today's vocabulary is factor, prime number, composite number, square number. The learning goal for today's lesson is Learning Goal 1. Again, the student will be able to persevere, to understand and solve problems using multiple strategies while asking him or herself, does this make sense? Learning Goal 2. The student will be able to multiply up to 12 by 12 and be able to illustrate and explain the calculations with arrays, models, and equations. Again, that says and, so you're expected to know how to do all of those. Today we added Learning Goal 4. The student will be able to find the factors of two-digit numbers and be able to determine whether a number is prime or composite. Today's question is, how do arrays help us identify what's special about numbers? We'll be playing a game today. While we play it, keep this question in mind. Game, it's a Dice 100 chart game. You'll need certain supplies. You'll need a blank 100 chart, colored pencils or crayons, and you'll need a pair of dice. What you're going to do is you're going to roll the dice. Then you're going to shade in the area that matches the number you rolled. You're also going to write the dimensions in the array as you go. For every roll, change the color. You'll probably use the same colors over, that's okay. And see how close to the 100 you can get. Your goal is to cover all of the page or as close to it as possible. At the end, you'll write the equations that you used. Here's a visual for you to get an idea. The first dice I rolled was 5 by 2. So I'm going to make my 5 my rows. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And 2 would be my columns, 5 by 2. I shaded this in. I wrote my dimensions of 5 by 2 and had a total of 10. I circled my product or my total. My next dice I rolled was 6 and a 3. So I had 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 3, 1, 2, 3. I wrote again my dimensions. I circled my answer or my product of 18. Notice that I did different colors. So for my next dice, I could go ahead and start the blue all over again.